the channel again. In today's video I will be talking about inset plotting. So inset plot means we will insert a smaller plot on a bigger figure or a bigger plot, however you want to say it. So let's get started. I will explain it using a very simple example. It will not be difficult. So I need two libraries. So port SNP. So these are my two libraries. Then I will create data for plotting a sine wave. So input.arange 100 equally spaced values. Then I will use input.sine function to create a sine wave. Now I will plot it. So plot sine wave. So build dot big size is 7.4. Then build dot plot color, then line width 3. Then build dot x label time font size. I want to use bold font and copy paste. This will be Y label and this will be title. Amplitude, then sine wave. Looks okay, I guess. So this is how a sine wave looks like. This is a complete sine wave. So starting from 0 to 50, this is positive half cycle or pi. Then starting from 50 all the up to 100, this is a negative half cycle, which is another pi. So this is just 2 pi. Then okay, so this is our sine wave. So now I want to focus on some specific region of this figure. So this is our main figure and I want to focus on, let's say, on this positive half cycle. So insert plotting. Zoomed in view. Dot subplots big size 10.4. Then I want to copy these lines plt. Now out. Okay, this will be set accessible. Okay, then set estimate. So changing these values in the x-axis, so it will start from 0 but will finish at 50 where the positive half cycle ends. Similarly, out dot set oil limit. So it will start from 0 and go all the way up to 1. We are ignoring the bottom half cycle. So this is the zoomed in view, and as inset we will put the whole original figure. So original view, let's call it inset dot axis. These values will determine the position of the inset. So first is for left, then bottom with the height. Inset plot sign color, let's say green, line width 2. Then zoomed in region. I will draw a rectangular, so here we got rectangle. This is the starting position for x and y, so 0 and also 0 will be the starting position. Then I'll go till 50, and for y I'll go from 0 to 1. So this will be 1, line width will be 2, face color blue, and face color none. Then inset, add patch, rectangular. Okay, let's run it and see what happens. So, yes, looks alright. So now let's see this figure again. So we have in the top half cycle of the sine wave or positive half cycle, whichever way you want to call it, we start from 0, go all the way up to highest amplitude, which is 1. Then again it reduces and comes to 0 when time is 50. Then this is the opposite of the positive half cycle. So I want to focus on only this part, so that's why I have limited x-axis starting from 0 to 50 and y-axis is starting from 0 to 1. I'm not considering these values and also not considering from 50 to 100. So this is our zoomed in view. So this red portion is our zoomed in view, and in the inset we put the original figure. So this whole figure has been used as inset, which is now you can see in this figure. And I have also drawn a rectangle, blue rectangle, using this command, sorry, these two lines, which is highlighting the zoomed in view. So the command says zoomed in view. Okay, so now we are in this case we are using zoomed in view as our larger figure and the original view as our inset, but the opposite can also be done. So let's copy this part and paste. So now something needs to be changed. So now we will show original figure as the large one. Here we showed original as the smaller inset figure. Now we will show the original figure as the large one. So these two lines are not necessary, and so this will now be inset view or highlighted view, and in this case we will say region to focus. Let's say highest amplitude. So here these two lines are required instead of how it will be inset. I will also change these values. Okay, and 24 will go 2 more from 24, so this will end in 26. Y remains fixed. Okay, let's now, yes. So in this figure we showed zoomed in view, which is denoted by this blue rectangle as the larger plot, and actual figure, which is this one, as the inset, and we highlighted the zoomed in portion in the actual figure. But here I kept original figure as the larger plot, and since I want to focus on the top half cycle or the positive half cycle, so I selected that portion in the inset and I drew a small rectangle here, which I am focusing on the highest amplitude. So between this figure is the highest amplitude 1. After that the curve starts falling, then reaches 0. From 25 it starts decreasing, then becomes 0 in 50. Okay, so it depends on how you want to show the plot. You can also use this one, you can also use this one too. Okay, so that's how inset plotting can be done using Matplotlib. So this is a small video. Thanks for watching.